Welcome to this OptimizePress Clubhouse update. Today's template is called Create. Now here it is on the screen. You've got this lovely header section right at the top, and to the right hand side of that we've got that bright call to action button inside a dark area. This is a featured box we've added here, content box. I'll show you how to make that inside the live editor in a second, but you can see straight away your eye is drawn to that light or that bright green color here, that call to action. Now what we've done in this section is made a jump to button, so when you click on it, it actually jumps down the page to the next call to action section. So this section itself is just a featured box here. We've put in the headline, and then we've put in a text box allowing you to put in some descriptive text to encourage people obviously to click through to that button. So when we click on it, you can see it jumps down. It's just the next row underneath, and in here we've brought through that same bright green color again. Very high impact bright color. The focal point of this page clearly is always drawn to this green button, so it's lovely bright green. We've had a little graphic there. You could obviously add your own graphs. Maybe you want to use the same color as well. Try and use that same green color within your own images. So we've got the headline here, and then we've got some text obviously above the call to action button describing what that product is. Then we're going to go down into the next section. This section we've included some industry experts or even people maybe behind the product, you yourself or your team. You could use this area, so we've got some nice images here using that same color font into the little heading underneath the image. So you could describe each person, put their name and a short little description or their bio beneath them. And then we drop down into this row, so this now breaking the attention with that darker background. We use this for a video section, and we've had a bit of custom CSS giving this a little shadow into the video here, you can see, and it's also applied to that text headline above. So a little shadow there just to mix up the design a bit, doing something a bit different, changing sort of the appearance of some of your templates. Then we go down into this section of the row. We've included a bullet list over on the left hand side. Nice clean headline, lots of white spacing around the content and the image, and directly below that your eye is drawn down into this call to action button here. We open up the overlay optimizer as well when we click on that button, and we scroll down, we've got some testimonials in the last or underneath the call to action above. So we've got some testimonials here, obviously social proof, showing people that people are actually buying our product and actually making customers aware that other people are out there talking about the product with their social proof. If we go back up, we do also have the overlay optimizer on this button as well. I didn't show you that before. We click on that, we've got the overlay optimizer there as well, so you can capture name and emails. By all means, you could switch this out to go to a product page or even a sales page or even a shopping cart order form if you wanted to. Let's just jump in the live editor a second, and we'll look at this featured box here over on the right. So we've got a nice box, nice and flush edges. We've kept that square feel throughout the boxes and all the buttons in this template as well. So this is just a featured box here. It's a content box, and it's done with the box creator, and you'll see it's got a background set here, and then that's just the full styling. There's no rounded border or anything to it. Obviously it's a square box, so it's just a simple box like that, and then inside that box we have our elements. You can see here these are all white, obviously because the background of the box is actually dark, so these are white text elements here, and then a button. You could add more in there. You can obviously edit the text if you want to as well, to change it up and change the colors. Feel free to mess around with this template if you like, but overall it's a very nice template. It's got a lovely feel to it, and this image as well at the top plays well. It's a nice light image, giving that light appearance through the entire theme as well. So this is available in the Clubhouse to download now. As always, if you do use it, we'd love to see it in action in your business. Connect with us on social media or drop us an email at support so we can see it on your site.